Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to see how we should set up the B2B and SaaS business tracking, for example, for Metapixel, Google Ads conversion tracking, Google Analytics, and what is the appropriate way to set up the tracking for B2B and SaaS business. Look, here, most of the business owners doing that they are tracking wrong way. Okay, so today we're going to explain how we should set up and how we can set up. Okay, so let me show you how it's work. Let's say there is a user goes to the website and he give us a lead. Okay, so most of the user doing this, they send the lead event, the lead data with thank you page to Metapixel or in the Google Ads. Okay, this is the normal way which recommend a ChatGPT or any AI. So this is not appropriate way. If you do your tracking with this way, that means you are doing wrong. Okay, now let me tell you how you have to set up on this web on your website. First, install Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is the Google Tag Manager. You have to install Google Tag Manager on your website. Then, in the Google Tag Manager, we have to use listener port, and through the listener port, we should get an event in Google Tag Manager, and from the Google Tag Manager, we have to send this event to Metapixel and to Google Ads. Okay, this way we can set up the lead event correctly for Metapixel and for Google Ads or for any others social media platform. Okay, so this is the right way to set up the lead event and to track the lead event. Now, if you are using CRM, for example, HubSpot, Salesforce, or go high level any CRM, then we need to set up the lead event. Also, we need to set up the qualified lead and deal close data, okay, or schedule call data, okay. So normally you get a lead, let's say, and in your CRM, the lead event is come, then the lead event book a call with you. So we have to send the call data is as schedule event, then the user become a qualified lead, then we have to send a signal to Meta Ads and to Google Ads as event. It's a qualified lead. Then we have to set up, let's say the user goes to your pipeline deal close, then we should send a event like purchase or converted lead event in the marketing platform. Okay, so for this we have to do we need to use webhook and step. So with using webhook and step, we can send the data from the Google Tag Manager to Meta Ads in Metapixel and in Google Ads. Okay, so this is the right way. Let's say you have the CRM. In CRM you have the pipeline, new lead, qualified lead, schedule, and deal close. Okay, so this is the new lead you have, this is the qualified lead, and schedule, deal close. Okay, we can send all of the signal from CRM to Google Ads and to Meta Ads using step and Google Tag Manager. Okay, so in this video we're going to see how we can do this, and this is the right way to send all of the pipeline signal to paid marketing platform. So the marketing platform ads will be optimized based on the right data, based on the qualified and purchase data. Okay, so this is the right way to set up the tracking for a B2B and SaaS business. So let's do a tracking for a SaaS business and B2B business. So to do this, we need to create a Google Tag Manager server container. If you are not a technical guy, you will not understand this process, then you can book a call with me, one-on-one call, and if you want, you can also hire me, okay, for the tracking project. All right, so this is the Google Tag Manager. The client already created a Google Tag Manager container where we are using HubSpot CRM, and if anyone submit a lead from the website, this data come into the HubSpot CRM in the contacts, and with the contacts, we getting the click ID like the GCL ID and the Facebook PCL ID, okay. And here we have like it's a new lead, qualified lead, demo book, or unqualified or sold. Okay, so this is the pipeline. Here we have to for a sales process. Okay, so we have to track the full sales process for this website, and here the hidden field and the click ID already we have. So we can create a webhook from the developer mode, and from here we need to go in the legacy app. And from here, we need to create a legacy app. And from here, we can create a webhook that I already created in Google Tag Manager. we need to upload a template, HubSpot template. The template you will get in the video description. This is the template. Then from here, we need to download it as a zip. After download the template, you need to unzip it with, then need to upload it from the template option. And from here, we need to select new and select computer so I can upload it. Let me type a name because I'm going to type it too because I already have a template uploaded. That's why I use here too. Okay. All right. So using this template and webhook, I will get the data in Google Tag Manager Server Container. Okay. So I will not show all of the process. If I show, the process will be very long. So let me show you what I will get in the preview mode. Here is the preview mode is loaded. So I need to copy the send manually HTTP header. Then we need to go in state from the Power Apps. Okay. Now I can change the stage data to send this data to Google Tag Manager preview. Okay, this is the Google Tag Manager preview. Now here nothing is come. If I change it to demo booked, then let's see. Okay, here we go. Here you can see from the webhook we are getting the data back to Google Tag Manager. So this is the lead data that we just changed in HubSpot. So let me show you the event data. Here you can see it's qualified, and this is the lead data and all of the information we are getting in the event data. Now we can use this trigger in Google Tag Manager and we can send this data back to Facebook. Okay, now let me send an event to Facebook. To do this, I will just duplicate let's say this one. Okay, it's called offline conversion tracking. So I will repeat Facebook offline conversion purchase. This is the purchase. Now I need the pixel ID. So this is the pixel that I created for demo purpose. Okay, this is the another demo pixel. In this pixel, we can send event. We can test it. It's working or not. Okay. This is the settings. From the settings, we will get the API token. Here we go. API token. We need to generate. All right. And we also need the test ID. So that the test ID is here. Okay. See the test ID, and with the event, we are sending the email, phone number, last name, first name, and the Facebook click ID. It's called Facebook FBCL ID. So we are sending this. This is very important to map the attribution in the ad manager. Okay. So this is the identifier basically. So I'll save it. Then let me preview. Okay. Now let's test. It should be sold. So the purchase event will be where? Here we go. This is the purchase event. Okay. Here you can see the request is 200. That means the event is going to Facebook as purchase. Now let me show you in the Facebook. The event will become. It will come shortly. Okay. Here you can see this is the event is come. The value, currency, first name, website, email address, click ID, browser ID, first name, last name. Okay. Here is the value is 0 because right now I don't set any value. If I set, let's say 100 or this one, let me set one. Let's say this one, and let me make it sold again. So we can send the purchase value to Facebook to optimize that event correctly. Okay. This way we should set up the CRM tracking. We need to set up all of the event, like all of the states, qualified, demo, booked, demo show. That I already done for this business. You can see like for the demo booked, add payment info, for the qualified, add to cart, for the demo shown, for initiate checkout, and for the purchase, for the sold, it's a purchase event. Okay. So this is the right way. For this way, we have to set up the Google Ads conversion tracking. Also here you can see the Google Ads converted lead event is working, and it's also successfully fired. Okay, this is the right way to set up the B2B and SaaS business tracking from the CRM. If you want, you can also set up. If you need any help, you can reach out to me. I'll definitely help you. And if you want to claim your free audit of your tracking, you can feel free to do it. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have any more questions, you can ask on the comment box. Have a good day. Bye bye.